Good evening, my people. I trust you are doing well and warming up your voices regularly. Today, let's talk about something very simple but very powerful, and that's speech and ear training. Let me start with a question I get a lot. Coach, what exactly is speech? Now, pitch is simply how high or how low a sound is. That's all. When someone says you are off pitch, they mean your voice didn't match the right note. Maybe it was a bit too high or a bit too low. And trust me, even the best singers do go off pitch sometimes. So, what makes the difference is training. You can observe a singer would go off key and then immediately retrace. Why? Because the ears are trained. You see, as singers, we are like athletes, and our ears, they are like our coach, our internal coaches. They tell us when we are on point and when we are off. That's where ear training comes in. I remember when I first started singing, seriously, I had the voice. Yes, but my ears not so sharp. I used to sing confidently, but my pitch would go up when it should go down, and I wouldn't even know. It was frustrating until I realized if I want to sing better, I must train my ears to listen first before my mouth sings. That's the key, my people. Listen first, sing second. So, how do we train pitch and ear together? It's not magic, it's simple. Small exercises done every day. And that's why I've been stressing on this assignment. Do it and send. Because when you do it every day, it becomes part of you over time. So let me give you a few so that you can start with today. Exercise number one is match the note. Now, what I want you to do here is this: open a piano app, or on your phone, or you put on your keyboard if you have one. Play just one note. Now, close your eyes, breathe, and try to sing that same note. Don't rush. Listen, then respond. Now, do this with five different notes. That is how you build accuracy. Your ability to hit the note exactly as it sounds is called ear training. Number two exercise is the siren slide. We'll be doing siren exercise. But this exercise is fundamental because it helps you connect your different pitches together. You can easily um, you can easily smoothly transition between one note, one pitch to another. So your transition will be very smooth. You can easily transit. So this one is fun. So what you do is to make a gentle woo sound like a siren. So you start slow, start low, slide up slowly, then come up down. Something like this. You get? So what it does that is that it connects your voice across pitches and it makes your transitions smoother. So you do this 3 to 5 times. Exercise number three is call and response. Now, what I will do here is that I will send a short melody note here. Your job here is to listen carefully, then sing it back. Record and drop your reply if you want to, but I will insist that you do because you need this exercise. So let's train those ears together. Now, before we round up, let me say this: you can have a powerful voice, you can know all the riffs and runs, but if your pitch is always off, people would enjoy your singing. But if you stay on pitch, even with a simple voice, people will feel you. And that's what we want. To be felt, not just heard. So please take your time with these exercises. Don't rush.
Record yourself, listen, adjust. Even 10 minutes a day will go a long way to help improve your voice. And I will say this, I'm proud of your progress already. You've come far and you are still rising. So let's keep growing one note at a time. Much love from Coach D. Liberty.